And start and
Yeah, Sukesh.
okay.
Yeah. So, good evening, one and all. This is Reshna Behra. We are the students of Vignan Jyoti Institute of Management. We have been assigned a case study in the field of retail management by our faculty, Dr. Franklin Jones. The case study discussion is about Amazon. So basically, the business is stepping into the offline retail segment through Amazon Go in Seattle, which is the first one of its kind brick and mortar convenience food store that employed mobile e-commerce, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and computer vision to allow customers to make purchases without a cashier. So here, let me introduce my team comprising of 14 members. Introduction and history will be discussed by me. Global expansion will be discussed by Shravan. Diversification of the business will be discussed by Sukesh. Innovating and diversification of Amazon will be discussed by Rakshita. The entire Amazon development will be discussed by Charan. The brand awareness will be discussed by Anusha. Efficient SCM of Amazon will be discussed by Praveen. Customer centricity will be discussed by Akans Reddy. Amazon's private label will be discussed by Bhargav and Saket. The most awaiting and detailed information about Amazon will be discussed by Nikita. The business competition in office retail market will be discussed by Aditi and Maitri. And here we will be seeing few most important questions along with the conclusion, which will be discussed by Rohit. So let's go ahead with the first slide, which is introduction about the case study. Slide change, please. Yeah, so coming to introduction, Amazon Go is a chain of convenience stores in the United States and the United Kingdom operated by the online retail Amazon. The stores are partially automated, which customers able to purchase products without being checked out by a cashier or using a self-checkout machine. So Amazon decided to enter into retail in 2016 December by launching its first Amazon Go store in Seattle. Before it decided to launch earlier in the May 2016, the company had entered food, housekeeping, product manufacturing with its Amazon Element brand, but only at that time Prime members had the privilege to buy these products. Then history. Yeah. So coming to history, how did it started? It started when Jeff Bezos decided to create his own online bookstores in Seattle. He decided to sell books at very low price. The reason for online book selling came out because of the high worldwide demand, low price per piece, and high number of titles at that time. He knew that selling books in online has much scope in the future. So Amazon partnered with Ingram Book Group LLC and purchased books at wholesale prices and sold them at very cheaper prices as compared to physical stores. And within just 2 months, Amazon made a huge success. The next will be continued by Shravan.